Huwag mo na sir, sabihin mo, Mayor, Mayor lang. Mayor, we are here upon the invitation of the press office by conference now. Kindly give us time to ask questions. Now is the time, my lady.
Yes, good evening, Mr. President. Malapit na po ang December 31. Ito po yung deadline para doon sa effectivity ng martial law. Yung security officials po ba ninyo mayroon ng rekomendasyon sa inyo hinggil dito? Will you extend martial law o kailangan na itong tanggalin ang visa?
I will leave it to the military and the police to make the recommendation. Martial law is a military thing, and it's their assessment or their evaluation of the Mindanao situation. If the defense secretary says that it's no longer needed, I'll